Today we're going to be looking at a lug stud installer. I don't actually have a hub without a stud to show you actually how to drive one in and everything, but I'm just going to show you how it works, I guess. Here's the little box that it comes with, and there's a picture of kind of how it works right there. There's a hub, your installer, and then your lug nut over here in the socket so you can drive it in. So basically, here's your tool. Nice little case to carry on, and so you don't lose it. So here's the bearing right here, and then basically, as you can see, there's a cutout right here because this goes right here, and that rides on there when you're installing it. So basically, you just grab your lug nut, and that's gonna ride right here when you're putting it on. So what you would do is put in your new lug nut in here. Let's just pretend that's the new one. And then you just put your bearing first, then this thing, and then this goes on top. And then what you would do is make sure it's kind of center. It's going to kind of center itself once you get there. See, if you move it to one side, it's just going to go back to center. So once you get it like that, you just keep cranking on it, and just look behind it, make sure it's flush. Once it's flush into the hub, then that means you're good. And just make sure that doesn't fall off of there, and that means it's in there all the way in. And that's just basically how it works. That easy. You just put your new stud in there, drop your bearing in there, drop this on there, put your lug nut on, and then just drive it in. Most people use an impact. You can easily do it by hand, just ratchet and socket and just do it by hand, but whatever technique you want to use. But yeah, this is the lug stud installer. Just a pretty simple installer, 2-piece installer right here. Nice little case so you don't lose it, and it tells you where it is. Thanks for watching.